Hello friends, it's Nicole Martel with My Creative Scrapbook. This month we have a really fun album kit, and I'm going to go ahead and share that with you today. This is a chipboard album with fun pages. It's a nice quality, and the pages flip open so you can create many interactive pages. And then we have some sentiments from Vicky Boutin cut and paste collection that are foiled and colored. And I have some puffy heart stickers, and we have this cute insert. You can cut pattern paper down and put in there, or photos. I'm going to be having fun with those. And we have stamps and stencil. We have chipboard from Carter Bella and chipboard from Vicky Boutin cut and paste collection. I love the frame, the chipboard frames in this, and the flowers are so pretty. So I'm going to have fun with that. And I have many pattern papers this month to play with. So here we go. Lots of cards, journaling cards. And then I like this dictionary print paper. It's fun. And this is one of my favorite piece papers. And I haven't played with this collection, so this is going to be a fun month for me. And all the shapes in the pattern papers are just super fun. You can cut them out, you can fussy cut them, make elements of your own on the pages, the tag sheet, cut those out. I just think this is going to be such a fun kit. And if you like what you see, go ahead and pick up your kit today. The link will be in the profile so that you don't miss out, because this is going to be a fun one. And I just love the colors. It makes me happy. And then I'm going to go ahead, and I thought I should measure the album, because I know some people would want to know what size is it. And it's actually, the inside of the pages, they're 8 inches wide by 6 1/4. The album itself, I measured, it's 8.5 wide by 6.5 inches. So it's a great size. And it's perfect for 4x6 photos if you like big photos, or you can do wallet-sized photos. I'm going to be playing with both. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.